Hi, fifth grade. So we're going to go over the answers for lesson 80 of math. You need your lesson and something to correct with. It would help if you had your book open, but that's not necessary. All right, let's get started. Number one is $1.44, $1.44. Number two is 500 pounds. Number three, 1, 2, and 4. Number 4 is 13, 17, 19. Number 5 is 3 over 3, 3/3. Number 6 is 3/6, 3 over 6. 4/6, 4 over 6. 1 and 1/6. Number 7 is 2 factors. Number 8, 3/8, 3 over 8. 6/12, 6 over 12. 4/6, 4 over 6. 5/6, 5 over 6. And 7/7, 7 over 7. Number 9 is 220 yards. Number 10 is 42 millimeters. Number 11 is $24.16, $24.16. Number 12 is 5.105, 5.105. Number 13 is $11.88, $11.88. And yes, you did just see a refrigerator open in the background. It's okay. Number 14 is $108.42, $108.42. Number 15 is $12.72, $12.72. Number 16 is 64. Number 17 is 68, remainder 31, 68R31. Number 18 is 52 and 1/7, 52 and 1 over 7. Number 19 is 9/16, 9 over 16. Number 20 is 9/4, or if you simplified, 2 and 1/4. Number 21 is 30. Number 22 is 5 and 1/3. Number 23 is 4 and 4/5. Number 24 is 0. Number 25 is 1:10 a.m., 1:10 a period m period. Number 26 is 2. Number 27 should look like this. I hope everybody can see that. 1 times 10 to the 8th plus 5 times 10 to the 7th kilometers. Number 28 is geometric, and the next two terms are 32, 64. 32 and 64. Number 29 is 1/2, 1 over 2. And number 30 is 8 over 10, 8/10. And your next fraction is 80 over 100, 80 100ths. All right, so those are the solutions for lesson 80 of math. Thanks, guys.